You deserve to feel excited every time you return home, to thrive in countless indoor and outdoor spaces with lake and cascade views. Connect effortlessly with neighbors, parks, clubs, or trails like this, the Burke-Gilman Trail that we're on right now. This one-of-a-kind life can be yours here in Matthews Beach, specifically at 4706 Northeast 103rd Street, Seattle. So your oversized garage next to your RV and boat parking is what you'll see coming home every day. But we're gonna walk through your native Pacific Northwest garden because that's how your guests are gonna be welcomed into your home. So the kitchen is the true heart of the home. Actually, from this spot right here, I can see everything this entertainment floor has to offer. Passing the entry that we came in from, what I really like about it is how the slate flows from the outside covered porch all the way into the inside foyer. Right when you walk in, you see this beautiful sitting area. With it, a backdrop of the lake, Champagne Point, and the Cascades. Also, unique thing about the sitting area is that in the winter we have this beautiful fireplace that you have, and it's just part of the entire ambiance. Your view deck through the oversized patio doors, and then your large dining area. Next to your large dining area is one of many rooms that we'll see. This was used by the seller as their office, but it has a attached 3/4 bath, and it's an excellent guest suite. We're gonna walk towards the kitchen, but there's still more to see before we get there. We've got the stairs going up, which we'll check out in a little bit, but we have first of many storage, understair storage. We have the hallway bathroom here, another storage, and then we have a bedroom that we have staged as a gym. Back out here, we are in the kitchen. We have space for a kitchen table. Before we have deep counter seating and this beautiful concrete countertop. A well-appointed kitchen, we have a pantry and a wonderful amount of cabinets. My favorite thing about this kitchen is actually that we still have those gorgeous views and how we're still connected with the dining and living room. But let's head over to the family room. The special thing about this family room is that it has garden views of the Pacific Northwest native garden that we walked through initially. Private and just lush and gorgeous. This family room has access to your fertile gardens and to your garage. So this is what you'd walk into every day. Downstairs, which we'll check out in a little bit, is going to be a bonus room and a legal ADU. But let's check out the upstairs first. So just like the trim throughout this home, the doors are solid wood here. Just one of the many fine touches that we have throughout this entire home. Here on this floor, we have a hallway bath for your two well-sized bedrooms. Before we get to a large oversized linen closet, a large laundry room, first of 2 laundry rooms in this home. And then we have this large den area at the end of the hallway with its own full light door leading out onto your balcony with gorgeous, gorgeous lake views. And lastly, save the best for last up here, the primary suite. The first thing you'll notice is an exquisite view of Champagne Point, framed by Lake Washington and the Cascades behind it. This primary is large, staged with the king-size bed, of course. We have 2 sets of closets right when you walk in, and another large walk-in here before you get to the ensuite bath. The 4-piece bath is well pointed with a walk-in rain shower. All right, let's head back downstairs. We'll check out the basement, the bonus room, and then one of the 2 entrances to the permitted ADU. So when we get to the basement, we have this door, which is an exterior door, but it actually partitions the ADU from the main home. Over this way, we have the bonus room that we staged as a theater because it would make an excellent theater. Now let's check out the ADU. So it has its own entryway, but again, we have the corridor between the 2 homes. It has its own sub panel. This ADU also has, obviously, its own bathroom and bedroom, but it also has its own laundry room. So this is where the second laundry room is. Over on this side, this is such a large space. This side is where the living room is with its own fireplace. Plumbed for gas, we have an electric fireplace in there now. Previous tenants had a dining table here, but the kitchen has enough space for a kitchen table as well. As we head back upstairs, we'll notice that there's lots of storage in every direction here in the ADU and upstairs. So next to the oversized garage, we have the RV and boat parking. And then around the corner, we have fertile vegetable and fruit gardens where we have plenty of mature fruiting trees already, including fig trees. So coming from the beautiful gardens, we have my favorite part of the home, the outdoor living space, the artificial turf lawn. Nice and spacious, and it flows so well to your composite view deck. Now, what I like about the deck is that both the deck boards and the built-in seats are all composite, so they're all maintenance-free. You just hose it down every once in a while. Metal railings, steel braided cable, and of course, the privacy, the low-maintenance evergreen shrubs, and obviously the view. We're central to a lot. South on Sandpoint Way, we have the Magnuson Cafe and Brewery. Further south on Sandpoint Way, we have a more refined shopping experience from the University Village. And of course, the university right after that. To the west, we have the Wedgewood Broiler, and one of my favorite places, Fiddler's Inn. And lastly, it's important to know that this is part of the View Ridge Swim and Tennis Club boundaries. And besides shopping and dining, we're surrounded by parks as well, with the most important one that's just down the Burke-Gilman Trail from us is the Matthews Beach Park. We have a dozen picnic tables there that you can reserve online, and we also have basketball courts and other amenities. So join me here this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for open houses here at 4706 Northeast 103rd Street. Plan a whole day though. You're gonna see a lot here in Matthews Beach, Burke-Gilman Trail, and everything around it.